Hello and welcome to Legends of. Today we are going to be taking a look at a legend of Ohio, the legend of the mysterious factory. Just outside of Dayton, Ohio, over the last several years, some people have reported driving down an unmarked road. And after driving down this unmarked road, they say that they find a mysterious factory. And investigating the factory, the people find that all of the workers of the factory are albino and are angry that they have been found. They attempt to chase after the people, and some claim to even have been held captive by the workers. Some have also reported being stopped by armed albino guards before they even get too close to the factory. No one can ever say for sure what is going on at the factory, and no one is ever able to recall the exact street that they found the factory on. And when they go back to search for it, they are never able to find this mysterious factory ever again. And this is the weird legend of the mysterious factory of Dayton, Ohio.